Now, what is this second one? Sir, ye kya hai? What the hell is current content creator, right? Here I have mentioned that you are a LinkedIn content generator and a copywriter. This is the title. This is a rational. Suggest a hook, right? Suggest a hook. Generate a text contents based on the, right? Suggested hook. Hook also I will mention. Hook is this. So I will drag the hook also here. This is a hook, right? Generate a text content based on the LinkedIn post. Also describe the suitable image for this. Okay. Also describe a suitable image. A suitable image also we also wanted. So I want to basically describe a image also. So this agent, it will not only create a content, everyone. It will also create a content and it will give you a output also, everyone. What is the output it is giving me? It will give me a output also. So I will mention that I want a specific output from this. Specific output. What is the output from this? Chat model. Which chat model we are going to use? We can tell that the same model can be used here. Okay. So again, we can use Google Gemini for that. There is no problem in this case. Google Gemini, again, we are going to use. Output parser. Which output we want? How we want an output, everyone? So the output that we want is in a proper format. What is the format, everyone? The format that we want is for LinkedIn post. What exactly we want? It should have a post title, everyone. Yes, post title should be there. This is the post title. So post title, this is how the output will be. Second thing it will give me is, what is the title? After that, it will give me post content. What is the post content that we have? So this is dummy content that I will give you. This is post content generated by the AI. Okay, this is generated by the AI. Second thing, what else we want, everyone? What else we want? After, again, last thing we want is image description, because this image we will be giving to Nano Banana, right? Image description, image that Nano, which Google image generation to create. Okay, usko prompt also. It's like basically it will generate a prompt also for this. So this is actually structured output parser, which will basically give you post title, post content, and post information or image description. It will give you image description also. Okay, all the things it will give you. This one, right? So let's run it again. So when you run it again, it will generate a topic again. A fresh topic will be generated, everyone. See, there's an AI powered lead qualification. Now, based on this topic, you will generate a post title. Here you see certain problem, which is media output does not fit the requirement format. Let me check. What is it? The post title, let me check like this. Okay, let me add underscores so that you know. Underscore I have just added. Okay, nothing else in this case. Auto fix the format also. Let me try to run it again. Okay, one more thing. I think whenever we do structured, model also is required. Is it? Let me check. Auto fix. So here I'll give the same model to him also. Okay, so it will fix auto. Let's save it and run it again. Okay, hit and trial, everyone. Hit and trial always works. So let me try it. Okay, so now Google Gemini will generate the topic for us, and now you can see the output and proper structured output also. You got it, right? Everyone clear? So we have used a Gemini also to fix it. So if there is any issue, this will fix automatically. So post title is intelligent customer support this with this. This is it. And this is the image generation. Everyone clear with this point? So this is the image generation part which is given to us. Now, first thing what we are going to do, there are two parts which I'm going to give you now. Now, first part is we are going to make a STPP request, which is our Google Gemini, right? Yes, everyone remember that? How many of you remember? Yes. So last time we have done Google Gemini request, which is we'll call the Google image creator. Okay, we will use Google image creator, which will give us the image that we can basically use it. Okay, we can basically use this image, right? This is Google image creator that we are going to use. So Akposh AI, if you go to ai.google.com, or you can use ask for Google Flash image nano banana API. If you Google it, you will find the instruction in this case. Okay, you will find the instructions how to use it. Now I can add one more. Everyone, I can add one more agent also. एक और agent we can add, which will basically generate a based on the title, based on the content, it can generate a hashtag for us. Okay. So I can also ask this one. This agent is basically it's a hashtag generator. Everyone, it is it is going to generate a hashtag. So what we are going to say, we are going to say that your responsibility, you are a SEO specialist for a LinkedIn. You are a SEO specialist for a LinkedIn. Your task is to generate a highly relevant, effective hashtag for this. Okay. You need to generate hashtag for the post title. So this is the post title. Okay. And this is the post content. So responsibility we have divided. Yes or no? How many of you are with me? Responsibility we have divided. This is hash tag generator prompt. This is a hashtag generator prompt. Okay. So this is hashtag generator prompt that we have done. Responsibility I have divided. Now, what is the point in this case? Sir, ye kya hai? What is this? This will also, I'll give you Google Gemini. By the way, you can share them also. You can share model, everyone. By the way, this model can be shared with this. It can be shared, but theek hai, as of now, we have kept it like this. And we want a specific output. From this also, we want a specific output. What is the output we want? From this hashtag. After generating the hashtag, it will also give you this, everyone. What is the output it will give you? It will give you, after content generation, this will give you a structured output. Structured output will look like this. Post title, your whatever the post title that you have, your content, your image generation, and one more thing it has added is hashtag. Can you see that? One more thing we have appended is called as the hashtag. If there is a problem, I'm going to use a autofix so that I'm going to use Google Gemini again. If there is any problem, Google Gemini will fix this also. Now this will give you the correct full post. So this has correct full post and this has the image. Everyone, how many of you are with me till now? This has everything. This has title, this has content, this has image description also, this has hashtag also, and this will give you image. Everyone with me? This will give you image. So how to first of all let's make this also. इसको बना लेते हैं, इसको complete कर लेते हैं. So we need a post request, URL and everything. What we are going to use, we will use previous one. ठीक है, previous one को open कर लेते हैं. Let me open the previous one. We will just copy the Nano Banana one, which is post to content creator agent. Okay. Last time we have done it. This content creator agent, everyone, right? Copy karo isko. Done. Copy this full URL. Okay. Same thing. X copy. This is header. Header. This is the API key. API key also we have done it last time also. By the way, you can get the documentation from here. Okay, if you want to get started, here documentation are already given. So if you go with the documentation is already here. So get a API key. Directly documentation is also available for that. Here is the documentation of image generation. You can use this one. ये रहा. Same use करेंगे. We are using the same thing. ठीक है. After that, this is the content, which is JSON and JSON body. So we are going to say send body yes. Define below JSON. This is a JSON. Now what we need? We need data, right? Which means if you want to generate by using the instruction, right? Here you can see we can also give directly content. So now I'm going to change something rather than giving an image, because I don't want to send an image. I don't want to send an image. I would just want to send a directly a instruction. So I will just send a text. So different type of content I'm going to use it, everyone. So I'll just copy from here to here. I will just replace with this. And here, this is the explain how your image will look like. How my image will look like, it will come from image description. Everyone clear? It will come from image description. So I need a futuristic clean graphic showcasing a customer decks with this. And this is what the Google will generate. This will now generate a Google image based on the image description. This will give you the output, which is your post title and post content and the hashtag. If you execute this, it will give you hashtag also. Based on that, it will give you hashtag. So let me execute this now. You will see a magical thing, everyone. So let's run it based on the, so it will now generate your hashtag also based on the content, based on the content. Okay. As you can see, this it has generated these hashtags, right? Rest of the things remain same. Now, if you run this, it will generate an image also. So based on the image description, it will generate the image. You can see the image. This is data image it has generated. Okay. You need to convert this image also, right? Yes or no, everyone? Last time also we have converted this image into a file. Everyone agree? So move this base 64 into a file. This is the file that you have. Last time also, whenever we get a file, we convert that into file. Yes, we convert this into a file, because else, if you want to see this, it is actually returning a data file, which is we need to convert it. So what I will do is I will execute the step. Last time also in content creation, it will take the file, and this is the image it has generated, everyone. Looks okay, everyone? Intelligent support workflow. This is an image which it has generated. So, sir, we have image, title, everything we have. सब कुछ है हमारे पास. Now we have an image. Now we have everything. Now we need to, what we need to do? We need to merge them together. Yes or no? So there is a tool called as merge. We need to merge them together. Which one we need to merge? कौन सी चीजें merge करनी है, guys? Tell me. We need to merge two outputs. Which outputs? This output and this output. We need to merge together. Image and text को merge कर दिया. So if you execute it, what will happen is nothing will happen. Only thing happen is it will just merge together. Whatever the things are coming, you will have an image, post, title, content, hashtag, everything is there. Everything will be given. So if you go to JSON, click on JSON, you have everything. Post title, post this image, hashtag with the image also. ठीक है, सब कुछ है इसके पास. Everything is there which you want to. Right? Now I can use something called as try with X. Can we try with the same thing? Upload post, everyone. Shall we try with S by using upload post? What do you think? Yeah? Yes? Let me do one thing. Let's me go to upload post. Let me try to try for free. Go to user. Let me try to connect the LinkedIn from here. Okay. So let's try to use LinkedIn. Let's see from upload post if it is as possible. If that is possible, okay, everyone. So it has told me that, okay, we have connected. Let me check. So upload post user identifier is the PROMODE. Select the platform LinkedIn as well as TikTok. Both of them needs to be posted. Execute the previous nodes. Okay. It does not know about the previous nodes. So till merge, we will run the code, everyone. Till merge, we will run the code so that merge has a data. So content generation again, it is happening. Creating a post also. Generating an image. Okay. Generating a hashtag. Okay. Now merging together. Okay. So merging together, now we have a data. So it has now merged together. Merged together data is also there. So here you can see the data directly, right? So I think he knows about everything. So title, from where we can get the title? Directly we can get the title from here. Why it is undefined? One second, why? क्यों भाई? What is the point? The title, let me use this. Why it is not available? हाँ, ठीक है, ले लिया, done. The data, it will basically take it from the data, or you can drag it from Google directly. You can drag it here also. This one also works. And caption, everything you can mention. So upload photo, caption or video commentary. Okay, we will get it from here. Now this will automatically will run. You don't have to do anything at all. So this will keep on running. Guys, hashtag also added. Isn't it good? So if you mark this as active, everyone, if you mark this as active, now what will happen? What will happen, everyone? If you mark this as active, what will happen? Automatically this will start after 6 hours. After 6 hours, automatically it will start. Automatically it will generate a content. Automatically it will post. So if you run it again, it will again generate the content, everyone. It will again generate the content. It will again generate the only one post is allowed, by the way, by Twitter and LinkedIn. So that's the problem. But again, it will not post it again. But again, you will see, we can see the image also. What is the image it is going to generate? So we are generating an image. अच्छा, कभी पार्ट वन में आता है, कभी पार्ट टू में आता है. दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम. हाँ. हम्म. This is the problem. Can you see that? Anyone noticed? Sometimes it's come in part one, sometimes it come in part two. Anyways, but if you use this part one, now it will work. So ये automatically work करेगा and it will, you will see an image also. ठीक है, that will fix. क्या हो गया इसको? चलो, yes. So this is the image it has generated, everyone. LLM, sad. Let me run it, this part also. Okay, let this complete also. Hashtag generations. So hashtag generation is also happening now. Everyone, again, I'm just rerunning, everyone. Okay, all this. Now we have everything. So merging both of them. Merging both of them again. Okay. Now we are going to upload post. So now it's time for us to upload. So we have this image, by the way. LLM, blah, blah, blah. Some image is generated. And title is automatic dynamic lead qualification. Something long title, everyone. Okay. Photo URL was a problem. I will mention data directly. Let me try it again. Data basically means whatever the convert for file is coming, right? It will directly use that data. That is what exactly we are assuming. Okay. And I'm pretty much sure it works. Sometimes it will give you errors, but it works most of the time. Okay. So let's see. Photo URLs issue. Let me check. देखो वर्क कर जाता है बट एरर देता है. एनीवन नोटिस्ड? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नोटिस? देखो वर्क करता है बट एरर देता है, राइट? यस, it works but still give you some errors. So here you can see second post is also live, everyone. Second post is also live. It works but give you some error sometime. ठीक है, तो काम तो कर रहा है, right? Here is the work, but sometimes it give you error. ठीक है, तो उसको ignore कर देते हैं errors. It works for us, right? It works for us in this case. So how was it, guys? Tell me, did you learn? Isn't it interesting? I will just remove this inactive. I will just mark this as inactive because else it will give you a lot of issues, everyone. Right? So this was your LinkedIn, everyone. LinkedIn content generation. It's a part of social media one.